Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? How about we draw a robot? Let's start by drawing a square. Now, for the head, we go like this. He still needs eyes and a big smile. Now we make 2 vertical lines, a big circle, and then a small circle inside to make the wheel. Draw the robot's arms like this. And to make the hands, a half circle like this, and another like that. Let's add a square in the center with 2 round buttons. To finish it up, we need an antenna and some final details. There you go, a robot!